In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a video into your Google Slides presentation. This is a fantastic way to enhance your slides with multimedia content, keeping your audience engaged and adding a dynamic element to your presentation. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide where you want your video to appear. Having your slide open and ready is the first step towards a smooth insertion process. Once you've selected your desired slide, let's head over to the menu bar. Here, you'll find various options, but for this task, we are going to focus on the Insert tab. Click on Insert, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, choose the Video option. Now, this will bring up a pop-up window with a few different methods for inserting a video. The most straightforward and commonly used method is inserting a video directly from YouTube, given its wide range of content. In this pop-up, you'll notice an option labeled By YouTube Search. Here, you simply type in the keywords related to the video you're searching for. This handy feature allows you to explore a variety of videos right within Google Slides without the need to leave the application. Once you've entered your keywords, a selection of videos will appear in the pop-up window. Browse through these options to find the video that best fits your presentation needs. Once you've found it, simply click on the video and then hit the Select or Insert button. This action will bring the video directly onto your slide. Now that you have your video on the slide, you'll likely want to adjust its position for better integration with your slide's layout. You can easily click and drag the video to reposition it anywhere on the slide. Additionally, resizing is just as simple. Click on the corners of the video and adjust it to your preferred size. A key aspect of using video in presentations is controlling how it plays. To do this, click on the video once more and navigate to the right sidebar where you will find Format options. This is your toolbox for video playback settings. Here, you can set the video's start and end time, ensuring that you only play the portion relevant to your presentation. You can also opt for autoplay, which means the video will automatically start when the slide appears. A great choice for a smooth presentation flow. If the audio isn't necessary, you have the option to mute it as well. Finally, when you enter presentation mode, the video will play directly on your slide based on the time settings you've established, bringing your presentation to life. And there you have it. You're now ready to enhance your presentation with engaging video content.